If you struggle taking trades on the 1 minute time frame, use this strategy now. After this video, you'll be able to take trades on the 1 minute with ease, have a consistently profitable strategy, and get better risk to reward. And overall, you will be able to see the market better. Make sure to watch till the end of this video so that you can get this strategy down pat with examples to go along with it. So our main strategy rules when we're trading the 1 minute, we want to be looking at liquidity. So first, we want to see a liquidity sweep of an important level, either whether that be the sessions, our Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low, or our previous day highs and previous day lows. We can also use 4-hour liquidity or daily levels of liquidity. Now, why is it important to have these sweeps? Because liquidity is basically the fuel of the market. Before the market can make a move, most of the time it takes out a level of liquidity. So for trading on the 1 minute, we can get even better risk to reward and better trade precision if we wait for the liquidity sweep. The next thing after that liquidity sweep that we want to wait for is a market structure shift. All a market structure shift is a change in character. The market is looking to change the direction that it is going in. The third thing that we want to wait for is a pullback to an order block or fair value gap. So I have yet to make a full video on order blocks and FVGs, but essentially these are like imbalances in the market. So after we get that market structure shift, we want the market to pull back to one of these levels and respect the order block or fair value gap for it to move higher. Lastly, we want to enter with a 1 to 2 minimum risk to reward. Now, just before we get back into the video, I want to tell you guys that I am running a free giveaway of a prize worth of $500 once we hit 1,000 members inside of our free Discord and also 10 people inside of our VIP. To increase your odds, just make sure you are subscribed to our channel and leave a like or comment on one of our videos. Inside of our free Discord, we have our My Trading Analysis, we have our discussions, we have trading psychology, we have everything that you need and more for you to become a profitable trader. And if you even need more of mentorship, we do have VIP. So make sure and also stay tuned for that as well. Now, this is an example of the 1 minute model that we are talking about here. So we have our important level of liquidity. We have price moving up, moving up, moving up, sweep, change of character right here, or market structure shift, pull back into the fair value gap or order block, and then price moves down. This is the sell model. If it was a buy model, it would be the exact opposite. Simple, a very simple way of looking at the market. So right now I am on YM. This will be an example of our session-based sweep. I like trading session-based sweeps a lot because they work the best for me. This is also an example of our previous day's low as well. So during New York, what do we see? We see a sweep of London low, but London high still being intact. We also see that we take out this previous day's low over here. The next thing we can do after this is move down to the 1 minute and then watch carefully. Right there. If this was the last leg down, this was the last move, or we can say that this was the last move. But me, I'm counting this as the break. So we're waiting for that market structure shift, which was right there. And then once we have that shift above this move, next I just need a pullback to a fair value gap, which is right here. This is the gap. Market pulled back. Now I'm getting in right here. Stop loss right under this zone, going for a 1 to 2. Now as you see, we did get in drawdown now, but we go into drawdown, and then what does price do next? We skyrocket out of drawdown all the way up here. Here's another example where we take out these 4 hourly lows, which was right here. This was the 4 hourly lows. We take out these lows. This is on NQ. Once we take out these 4 hourly lows, we go down all the way to the 1 minute. We can see that the move started from right here. Put our stop loss right below, and we aim for that 1 to 2. So the move started from right here. This was the market structure shift once we had gotten above this high, and then we would hold until we reach that one for 2. And we can see price goes all the way up for a 1 to 3. Here's another example. This move happened yesterday. I actually lost on this trade because I got in on the first sweep of London, but then price went to go sweep Asia as well. So we have Asia low, which is right here, and then price comes down, sweeps it. So that's an example of a session-based sweep. We go down to our 1 minute once we see that sweep, and then now we're looking for that change in character. And me, I'm counting that with right here. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna count that right about here, because here we rejected off these highs, so I'm not really counting this. Always pay attention to the way that the candlesticks close on the 1 minute as well. You have to get used to it over time. So like always, I'm aiming for a 1 to 2. Price smacks TP very quickly. You always know you get the liquidity right when price literally goes straight to the next area that it wants to go to. If we look at the 1 minute very closely, what do we see after we take out liquidity? There's no chop. It's basically a straight drive line up all the way up till TP. Whereas in our other moves, we can see chop, 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 chop. Price is literally accumulating for another manipulation move so it can do what it wants to do. Now, one last thing about this strategy is you always want to be with direction at least before marking off which liquidity pool you want to use, whether that be session, 4 hour, previous day's highs and low. You always want to first mark off the direction of the overall market so that you can increase your chances of the trade hitting inside of your favor. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, took notes, and also saw how to trade on the 1 minute more effectively. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. I will get back to everyone who comments and make videos that you guys want me to make as well. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.